Hello friends, welcome all of you in our YouTube channel Government Jobs Alerts. So friends, I have a great news for all of you that Indian government has released a recruitment notification of huge vacancy in ICF department. Yes friends, in this today's video I am talking about the new recruitment which is rolled out in ICF department. So, the new official recruitment notification of 2023 has been released this year. Friends, the recruitment of ICF department can be applied from all over the India. So, the candidates who are interested to join ICF department can apply online for this job from all over the India. Friends, if you are from any state or district of India, then you can directly apply for this job. Any male-female candidate can apply for this vacancy. Application for this vacancy have started and its deadline or the last date to apply for this job is 30 June 2023. So, if you want to apply for this job, then you have to apply before 30 June 2023. Friends, in this today's video, we have brought information about ICF department for all of you, which is directly recruitment. Friends, if we talk about qualification required to apply for this post, then you required to pass class 10th or ITI. If we talk about salary, then about 16,500 to 25,600 rupees will be given per month. Let us give you all the other information directly through the official website. Notification has come from National ICF Department. Friends, if we talk about post, then there is head constable and many other positions also available. And apart from this, if we talk about the number of posts, then these recruitment have came out for a total of 90 posts. The important date of this recruitment will be from 1 June 2023 to 30 June 2023. So you can apply before 30 June 2023. You can apply from anywhere of India for this job. The age limit to apply for this job is minimum 18 years and maximum 28 years. Friends, the application fee for this job is 100 rupees for a general EWS and OBC candidates, which will have to pay through online or demand draft. SC/ST and female candidates are exempted. Selection process of this department are computer-based test, physical standard test, physical efficiency test, document verification, or will be done through medical examination. Eligible candidates who are interested can apply online by visiting their official website of ICF department portal between 1 June 2023 to 30 June 2023. Friends, if you like the information given by us, then like the video, share it with your friends as much as possible so that they also get information and can get updates of information about daily Sarkari job. For getting information about daily government job, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the subscription bell so that you can get the notification of our next video first. If you want to apply for this job, then the application link of this department is in the description box. Go there and apply from our official website.